Would you buy a whole house in a kit from a website? People used to buy houses from Sears and saved thousands of dollars building their home. Yes, you heard that right. Sears, the department store giant, was once in the business of selling entire houses through their mail-order catalog. From the early 1900s to the 1940s, Sears, Roebuck and Company leveraged a cost leadership strategy to offer DIY home kits that were shipped by rail all across the United States. And these houses cost less than $20,000 in today's dollars. Let's explore the history, design, business strategy, and legacy of these iconic Sears houses and why they were so cheap. Welcome back to Strategy Explained. In the wake of the American Industrial Revolution, Sears wanted to provide affordable and convenient housing solutions. They offered around 370 different home designs, catering to various tastes and budgets. These were complete house kits containing pre-cut lumber, nails, paint, and even the kitchen sink. Sort of like an IKEA bookshelf, just a lot bigger. The original idea for the project came from Eugene T. Sawyer, an African-American real estate broker in Chicago who came up with an innovative solution to help clients get an affordable home without paying the full price up front. He contacted Sears with the idea of having clients buy houses manufactured by Sears to construct on lots that Mr. Sawyer would sell, and then Sears would provide a mortgage to customers who needed financing. It was a win-win for everyone. The architecture of Sears houses ranged from craftsman and colonial to modern styles. Each kit came with a detailed instruction manual, allowing families to build their homes from the ground up. What's intriguing is that these houses weren't cookie cutter. Buyers could personalize their homes by choosing different layouts and exterior details, all before the internet or even the personal computer was invented. But despite customization options, individual pieces were mass-produced, creating efficiency that helped Sears sell houses for low prices. One of the most popular designs was the craftsman-style Sears modern home, characterized by its sturdy yet elegant construction. These homes boasted spacious interiors, charming architectural details, and durable materials that have stood the test of time. When assembled correctly, these homes were built to last. Sears' original business strategy was anchored in its iconic catalog. Back in the late 1800s, they pioneered the concept of mail-order shopping. It was kind of like a printed version of Amazon. Their catalog wasn't just a list of products, it was a window into a world of possibilities. It featured everything from clothing to tools, but I think the most unique offering was its collection of entire houses, sold in a box. Customers could buy more for less at Sears. Another piece of Sears' cost leadership strategy was its approach to vertical integration. They didn't just sell products, they manufactured them too. Sears even manufactured houses in factories and then shipped them in boxes on rail cars to provide customers with an affordable new home solution. Sears had factories churning out goods, controlling their entire supply chain. This allowed them to maintain quality, reduce cost, and establish their brand as a mark of reliability and affordability. Through standardized manufacturing and vertical integration, Sears was able to control costs and provide houses for thousands of dollars less than anyone else. Done right, standardized production can lead to cost savings for almost any company without sacrificing quality. Identifying Sears houses today can be like solving an historical puzzle. They didn't come with a Sears label on the front door. Instead, there are subtle clues like stamped lumber, unique hardware, or design blueprints found in attics that help identify these homes today. Some can even be identified by their original building permit listing Sears as the architect. Modern enthusiasts and historians are dedicated to cataloging and preserving these houses, adding to their allure. Houses are getting too expensive to build today. In some areas, they cost up to 10 times the annual income of the average person. We need new solutions. Or maybe we need old solutions to come back. If you've made it this far in the video, could you do me a favor and click that like button? Each like tells the algorithm that this video is worth sharing with others, helping the channel to grow. The legacy of Sears houses extends beyond just their architectural significance. They represent an era of American innovation and the democratization of home ownership, allowing ordinary families to achieve the dream of owning a well-built, affordable home. The impact of Sears houses on American culture is undeniable. More than 70,000 of these homes were built. They embody the hardworking spirit and innovation of the early 20th century. Even today, these homes stand as a testament to quality craftsmanship and enduring design. In conclusion, Sears houses remain an intriguing part of architectural history, reminding us of a time when a house could be ordered just like any other product from a catalog. The houses were both well-built and affordable, and their legacy lives on in the neighborhoods they grace and the stories they hold within their walls. Could we ever see Walmart or Amazon provide a house at the click of a mouse?